packaging line consists of rock fold, rock bag, rock pack, rock stack, and rock label. The unique layout is configurable to fit seamlessly into your space according to your desired production flow, in a straight line, in U, in T plus U, in L, and in T. Rock customizes all requests to streamline your production. This state-of-the-art packaging solution utilizes the newest technological components, enabling consistent, maximum performance. Immediately after garment decorating, the Rock Fold folds any kind of garment, such as t-shirts with or without sleeves, sweatshirts, polo shirts, short or long sleeve, trousers, skirts, dresses, etc. The secret behind this flexibility lies in its 3 folding stations: sleeves, body, and final fold. There are numerous types of folds, including half, 3-part, or fixed measurement. The complex machine is fast, easy to use, efficient, economical, precise, and safe. It should be noted that the Rock Fold can be presented in 2 formats, with or without a sleeve folder, and you can also decide whether the output module comes with or without a delivery unit. The Rock Stack is attached to the Rock Fold's output position and is operated through its control panel, where you may define the number of pieces per batch. After stacking, garments have 2 optional directions to take: to go to the packaging station or to the conveyor belt. The Rock Bag empowers you to automate bagging any garment that comes from the Rock Fold using pre-made bags.